morning, good morning. Wow, it's a nice day today. The sun is out. Whew, got a long day. So the mission today is, I've got some pictures in my van at the moment, some priceless pictures worth thousands. And I'm gonna be driving from London to Sweden, close to Sweden, not too far from Bath. And then we're gonna pick up more pictures from there. And then from there, we're gonna go all the way down to Plymouth. So this journey should take us about 8 hours in total, depending on the traffic. It will probably take me an hour to get out of London. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. So for now, petrol station time. Time to fill up this big boy. So there we are. Oh. So there we are. As you can see, we've got 2 hours and 17 minutes drive. So, as I said, that's where we're going. Close to Sweden. And the place is called South County. So, there we are. This is the London traffic that we try to avoid by leaving early. But I think 7 o'clock is now too early for us. So obviously if you are traveling and you need to get outside London, you need to be leaving by, let's say, 5 o'clock. But obviously where we're going is not too far from London. It's only 2.5 hours and I needed to be there by 10. So I could not have left that early. So the earliest I could leave is probably 7, and then hopefully we get there by 9:30. But yeah, there we go. Beautiful London. That is the MI5 building, the 007 building. There it is. All you do is see, but never visit. Just drive past every single morning. But yeah, there it is, guys. This is the Vauxhall Bridge that we're on currently. So it's clear. Luckily, there's no traffic at this time. That's beautiful London. You guys can see the London Eye from a distance. Okay, my favorite place to get something to eat, M&S. Okay, guys, this is so nice. This is great. This is great. This is what I came for. Whew. Time to have it back. This sandwich is so nice. Alright, so just came outside London. It just literally took me about 50 minutes to get outside. And now we're on the motorway stretch. You know, when you've been in the traffic for so long, you gotta step out and see like what's really going on down there. Finally arrived after 2.5 hours, so thank God for that. Good morning, Tim.
Oh, you made very good time.
I know, right? You too.
Good
You
to
alright?
see you again.
Oh, no, you gotta do that. You alright?
Yeah, fine.
So, am I dropping everything off here, or
No,
just
some Gibraltar things.
Oh, well, then that's fine.
Other Gibraltar things are going on to Bodmin. It's a bit complicated.
No problem. Well, I'm sure you know what's coming on
I do,
and what's coming off.
I do, yeah.
Right.
That's well enough packed, but this is the one that
Should be, yeah.
this is the owner.
Yeah, okay. I'll just put my car.
Where are you based? Sorry.
Elephant and Castle.
Oh, fuck, in London. You
Yeah.
come all the way from London and then back to London.
Yeah.
Long day.
I'm telling you.
God almighty.
You could come with me.
Yeah, I'd love it. God.
Right, let's have a look, see what's... Right. Oh, right, it's going to be constant.
So what we could do is I could take everything out if you desire.
Yeah, let's take everything out and then this is Gibraltar, but that's going to Bodmin.
Okay, that's going to Bodmin. Okay, so anything that's going to Bodmin, let's leave it to the left hand side. Okay, I'll take it out and then you can tell me what you want.
Okay, that's Bodmin, that's a different tile.
Okay. Almost done. That's a lot of expensive pictures. It looks like just wrapping boxes and bubble wraps, but phew. That's fine. There we are. A big van, but too big. I should have used a smaller van. Whew. Alright, just left those beautiful artists. Tim is such a nice guy. He's been very helpful to me. So yeah, we're gonna leave now, and right now it's 6 minutes to 11. As you can see, 6 minutes to 11. So we've got about 4 hours. So it'll probably take me about 5 hours to get there, because obviously I've got to stop to get something to eat on our way. So we're right here, right, and then obviously gonna drive through Exeter, Plymouth is over there, but our destination is in Bodmin. It's Bodmin. Let me zoom in so that you guys can see. There we go. So we're going to Bodmin, and yeah, time to drive, and I will be recording like small segments on our way there. So if I do see anything, alright, see you later, take care. There it goes. I will be recording small segments on our way there, just to show you guys the views. I've never actually been as far as Plymouth or Bodmin, so today's gonna be my first time. Usually I'm all the way to Scotland. So yeah, this will be an experience I'm sharing with you guys for the first time. So yeah, let's get it. Let's go. Bodmin, 64 miles. 64 more miles and we'll be there. So an hour tops. So let's keep it moving. Right, we're here. That's where we're going, right there. Wow, I see something says France on it. France and the, you guys see that? France and the floodings, 1914 to 1915. Job done. Thank God for that. I'm gonna be uploading some of those pictures so that you guys can actually get to see what the art actually look like. Now it's time for me to grab something to eat, make my way back to London. Hopefully I could be back to London by 7 o'clock. I think it's like 3:15 now, so it's not bad for a day's job. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and stay blessed. Bye.